In this video, we are going to review one of the popular platform which is going viral right now, which is Higgsfield AI. And people say that okay, if you want to create trendy visuals and trendy videos, then Higgsfield is one of the tools which you can use. It's basically one tool that can make you a cinema level videos just from your laptop. And yeah, we are going to test those things, but before that, I want to make this disclaimer that this is not a sponsored video. It's me reviewing this after getting its subscription. So we just recently bought Higgsfield AI, and then I tested it for a bunch of days, and now this is me providing the review of Higgsfield and how it is. So without any further ado, let's just move on to my screen and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So yeah, as you can see on my screen, this is Higgsfield AI. I'll attach the first link in the description if you want to check it out. So this is their homepage, which is like an kind of an explore page where you are exploring different models and what are the things people created using it. This is what you get when you sign up with it. Like signing up is free. So yeah, you can just join in and test a bunch of things. They provide some free credits there. So this is like some visual effects. These are some new things which are being created using Nano Banana. Then comes visual effects from this popular transitions and all. This is like very popular among social media. So if you see this one, like this is the Raven transition. It's whatever video that is being created using this transition, it has went viral because people never seen this kind of stuff, and when it happens, it's just like really cool to look at, right? So this is one of the tool you will be needing if you want to create viral effects and viral transitions and VFX and kind of stuff. You can definitely do a lot of stuff in here. So like they have all these templates, so you can just use them and provide your image, use them, provide the prompt, and it will create the thing for you. Next we have the videos from Sora, Van 2.5. There is their own model Higgsfield Soul, and there are a bunch of apps. Like we'll be testing all of this. I'm just providing you an overview of what are the things which are available here. But yeah, these are all the things which we can do with it. But for now, let's just move to their models which are available here. So if I see the models of image, they have integrated a lot of image related features in here, and almost all the image generation models are available here. Let's say, for example, creating image, like that's like generative AI feature, then storyboarding, soul ID character, right? Then you can just edit image using canvas, then face swap. These are really interesting and important features if you are into creative industry. So the models that they have is Higgsfield Soul, which is their own model, then Higgsfield Popcorn Nano Banana Pro, which is going popular right now, then Seedream, Van 2.2, Flux, GPT, Topaz. These are bunch of models they have into it, and some of them are really good when it comes to image creation. We'll be testing them one by one, but for now, let's just check what are the models they have in video. So in video, they have like all this features and this different models available here. So if you see the features, they have video creation, click to add, lip sync, sketch to video, UGC, video upscale, and recast studio, and like bunch of things in here. And models, as I said, like they have integrated almost every model onto this platform. It's like Sora 2 popular, Sora 2 enhancer, Google View 3.1, Van 2.5, Kling 2.5 turbo, then a bunch of things. As I said earlier as well, this is kind of a collection of different models all combined into one single place, so you can maximize the output of using it. Then there is this edit which lets you edit and modify the images and things which you created, and character creation or character editing. Let's say, for example, face swap. It can swap the exact face. Character swap is also available, videos, face swap. But now enough talk, let's just start with the actual creation part. So first we are going to try out is their nano banana model. What they have is they had this deal that they had this offer recently that if you buy Higgsfield subscription, you are going to get unlimited generations of Nano Banana Pro for an entire year. And yeah, that was true. That was definitely true. I have used it and it's really awesome. Like they provide it for free, but there is a catch here that when you subscribe to it, you will get access to it unlimited. But the unlimited generations has a different tier, and the fast generations has different tier. So if you want to do unlimited generations, that's going to be on the general tier, which will be a bit slower and it will be processed on economy rate. But if you go on the credit side where you actually utilize your Higgsfield credits, then it's going to be fast processing. So yeah, that's the catch. You get unlimited ones, but the amount of generations that you can do is being capped by the processing that they can handle. So it's basically there is a flow in it. If there is a lot of generations going on, your images will be in queue, then they will go into in progress, and then they will be generating. So that's the case that is being there. But otherwise, most of the time when I used it, it was working really fine. There was not much of a delay. So yeah, it's I don't think that's much of an issue. Enough talk, let's just get straight on the work. So we are here on the image generation ground, and as you can see, there are this bunch of options. You can select here, you can select multiple models in here, and this plan which we are in, like they provide unlimited generations on all these models. So this is really worth investing tool because they offer unlimited on all the models. Like most of the features that they had, it's unlimited, and it's worth doing it. Like I literally love this one. Then here you can control the aspect ratios, then the quality of generations, and this is one more catch that okay, they provide unlimited for 1K and 2K only, not 4K. But yeah, you can always upscale it using upscale features available, so that's not an issue here. Here's the thing that I was telling you about. Like this is normal generation will cost you 2 credits, but if you do unlimited one, it will be 0 credits, and it will be processed on the economy rate. Now let's just create some images here. And the cool part about Higgsfield's and the cool part about Nano Banana is that it's uncensored. Like you can use anyone's face here. For example, I used Ronaldo's face here, and I'm gonna use his face once again. So let me just do that here. I'm just using this prompt. It's like Ronaldo farming aura, and in anime style. So we have Ronaldo in here. We have anime style. We have football, and yeah, there is aura farming in there. So let's just generate it and let's see what it creates. So I just send the request, and as I mentioned earlier, they just send it to queue. Now once the queue is cleared, they'll move it in progress, and we'll be back once the processing is done. Okay, so the generation is done, and as we can see here, it's like Ronaldo, but his face is yeah, it's anime style here, and the spelling of Ronaldo, it's like exact Ronaldo written here. 7 t-shirt number, perfect. And there is this aura rings going on around him. It's in football field, so yeah, cool one. Okay, so next image that we are going to create is interesting one. So I'm just writing it here. Put Jethalal in GTA 6 setup, change his attire to match GTA 6 vibes, all gaming mode. Let's just create this and see how this one goes. Okay, so this is what we got here. Funny enough. So now he's playing GT. Actually, I wanted him to be in GTA 6, but now in this one he's just playing GTA 6. So there is a bunch of chips, Red Bulls in here, and scene is out of like it's of GTA, but yeah, it didn't came out like it should. But yeah, we can improve the prompt and we can generate the better one. Next, let's just create something better. And this time we have Tom Cruise in Iron Man suit, standing next to Tony Stark and Thor, and we'll create this one. So I'm just having this random ideas at night, and I thought let's just create this thing. And it's pretty interesting to see this, by the way. It's fun, and we are going to see a lot of interesting ways as well in the next thing. So this well like some of the fun things that we can do, but there is also some business level stuff we can create using this one. It's not just for fun. Actually, if you are capable of using it, you can definitely use this one for really good purposes, and you can actually start implementing into your business as well. We'll be discussing those things further, but for now let's just create something with our 3 a.m thoughts. So look at that, it created this one. Now what I feel here is that the instructions that are being provided to it, basically the prompt, that is not clear, and that's the reason it is giving this kind of errors or making it look a bit like this, but still the generations are too realistic. So we are going to create one more thing, and let's just bring two guys together. This is the last one, by the way. This is the last one we are going to test like this. So this is going to be Ronaldo meets Jethalal. So I don't actually like watching Jethalal, but there are my friends who actually love watching Jethalal. Like they, whenever they start eating, they turn on this Dark Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. That's why Jethalal is too much in my head. But yeah, that's fun character. Now let's see Ronaldo meeting Jethalal. Okay, so the generation is ready, and this is where Jethalal and Ronaldo meets. It's in Gada Electronics actually. See the detailing here. It even mentions it is Gada Electronics. The spellings are right, and both of them are meeting there. Like it's Jethalal and Ronaldo. It's cool. Like watching this thing happen. You have to just ask it, and this tools creates it. And see, it's very accurate. The expressions and the detailing on their faces and skin tones and everything, it's so close. Now enough on the fun side, we are going to create something better with here. So let's just start with something that actually makes money. Let's just start with creating an ad here. So we are going to create a creative, and for that I'm writing this prompt: create a highly converting ad creative for MacBook Pro. And let's see the creations. So this is what it created here. I'm not a huge fan of this, but yeah, it created this one. And the instruction that I provided, that was very basic. So it didn't came out as, but now let's just try with some detailed instructions, like detailed prompt. Let's create a cafe menu. So I'm just writing this prompt here: a stylish cafe menu designed for Brew Heaven Cafe. Like this is the name I provided, a fancy one. And then featuring warm rustic coffee house theme and a bunch of details, and let's just create with it. Okay, so it created this new generation of this menu, and look at that, the details here. If you see this one, its exact name, Brew Heaven Cafe. The the style of it, like, look at the menu: espresso, cold brew, pastries, teas, and everything is so well defined here. This is kind of an interesting one here. If you are on the design side, or if you are having some cafe or some menu, just use it and create thing for you, man. You can just literally ask it and it will be doing things for you. Now we are going to create a comic here, and for that I'm just pasting this prompt: a vibrant comic style scene titled The Quantum Chase. And I'll make sure this is a horizontal version, so I'm doing it like 21 by 9. And a bunch of details are here, so I'll just hit generate button and wait for the generation part here. All right, so generation happened, and this is what we have: the quantum chase. As the name suggests here, the quantum chase, it is Nova, this is Vault, and it says stop right there, catch me if you can, like classic dialogue. So yeah, this was the test here, me writing some prompt and the AI creating these things straight out of the box. So this video went like a more of a nano banana test. There are a bunch of other models as well which we didn't even touch yet, and there are video models as well which we haven't explored yet. There are a lot of tools that needs to be explored, but I think this video went too long, so I'm gonna end this one at the note of nano bananas exploration. And definitely Higgsfield is one of the platform which you can check it out. It's worth the money if you can use it. If you can't, I don't know what to do. But yeah, it's the tool that we got for our team, and I'm really liking this one. If you want to use it, just check out the link in the description. It will be first in there, and you will be able to use it. Anyways, let me know your prompts in the comments on what I should try next using Nano Banana or any other tool, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, that's it for this one. Subscribe to this channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.